Hello everyone, True Zero Emissions here. Okay, just going to show you how I soldered this. Now I don't know if this one's going to work because I may have put too much solder on it. But just to show you what it's going to look like, somewhat look like. See how I soldered that on the back of this plug, right on the top there? So there may be enough room in that plug. As you can see how tall that is in there? There's a space. See how there's like a double, it's like a two-story, right? See on the black plug, the negative, how there's a space for another plug there on top? That's what I'm thinking right now with this. I'm going to see if this will fit in here, 2 stories, if I say it that way. So that's the update, and we'll see how that goes. That's for the Chinese LEDs. That's gonna power the step-down transformer, and then the step-down transformer will power the Chinese LEDs. This light comes on. I'm literally plugging in parallel with the headlights. That's what I'm doing right here. But that could be done anywhere along this wire. It could also be done inside here. So there's options. But I do not recommend doing this. I'm just doing it because I like experimenting, and I'm just sharing with you my experience. I'm not saying to take your scooter apart and do this. Do not do that. But you know, me, I'm going to take the whole thing apart. I want to see every screw, and I want to study every wire, and I want to know what's in the scooter, what makes it work, and everything like that. Okay. And I'll make videos about it.